here I am, I'm on the 66. I'm on the driver's side. Here's the bottom quarter panel. You can see how all undercoated. The correct frame.
Correct marking.
The correct markings on the frame. This is the driver's side rear frame mount. Good shot of the gas tank. Here's the very rear frame mount. Moving over. This restoration was completed 10 years ago. Only 1,000 miles on this restoration. There's the correct tag on the back of the 12 bolt.
Yeah.
The correct factory markings all on the thing. The correct color shocks.
I believe it's got three 42s in it. Here.
Okay. Excellent, Joe. Thank you.
And it's a Muncie M21.
Okay.
That's all in there. The markings are on that.
Yeah.
This is all number fucking that kind of thing.
There's a shot of the spring perches.
Don't get no better than this. Unless I pressure washed it.
Yeah.
Doing that.
Okay, moving over to the passenger side. There's the track arm. Again, note the orange.
That's the
correct
triangle.
marking. There's the coil spring leading up to the frame mount. Passenger side rear wheel. These are the correct factory markings on the bottom of the differential. On the spring perch. Moving on. You can see there's some dirt. It's just dust. This is the driver's side frame rail. And I'm trying to get as best I can. All new bushings on here when this was frame off restored. So here's a shot of the bushing where the frame mount where just before it goes to the front of the engine. It's a 10-year-old bushing, but you can see it was replaced when this was frame off restored. You can see the correct shade of the factory shade around the starter like it would have been done on this side as well. All right, this is the front passenger side drum brake. Again, correct yellow factory marking. Shot of the lower A-arm. I'll get pictures of this all here while I've got it underneath. Moving along the passenger side. This is the passenger side frame rail. You can see the bushings. Rock solid car. I'm just going to run across the floors. You can see the floors. This is an original Southern car. None of the, right, Joe? None of the panels were replaced.
No, no.
These are all the original panels on this. Okay. Here I am on the back of the trunk. You can see it. Yeah, thank you. See, all original. Well, restored. All restored. Well, you will not be disappointed with this car. I'm just going to take a shot going up the front here. And there's a shot of the markings from the front drum brakes. You can see the ball joints.
Frame,
the frame
got some fucking stickers on them. It's got every marking that's supposed to be on this car.
Correct markings all around.
Yeah.
Shot of the engine mounts.